in the court is your favorite attorney, Attorney Allie Booker. You know what time it is. It's time for Order in the Court, our show. When you write me, I bring you to the court of my public opinion and I let you know what's up. And I keep it real. I keep it real, guys. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm going to be as candid as possible with this story and this response. Okay. A lot of people ask me, oh, this is legal advice. It's not legal advice because I don't represent you. And your facts may or may not fit completely into this fact pattern, but I promise you, I am going to be straightforward. I'm going to teach you enough that you should be able to apply it to your issue. Okay, without further ado, order in the court. The court is in order. They wrote me and they said, I'm trying to pay my child support and arrears in full before my court date. I was ordered to appear in court and they revoked my probation. I've been on probation for 4 years and I wasn't able to pay the full amount. 2 months before my release, they revoked my probation, and they should have because you wasn't paying. I got a court order to show up in court for the revocation, and I want to pay in full. I got a loan. I want to pay it off in full. What do I do? You better go pay it. That's what you do. You don't talk about it, you bees about it. Get that ass over around to the Attorney General's office and get it paid. Now, I'm just saying the Attorney General's office, but you can't pay at the Attorney General's office. But they can direct you on how to pay. Here in Texas, we have a state disbursement unit. People are able to send, MoneyGrams? What is it? Western Union. You can pay at the courthouses. They have these little, they almost look like ATMs, but they're set up to accept child support payments. There are many ways you can send it in to the SDU by mail. You can pay online. In and through the Attorney General. I don't care if you send the check in a bird's beak, bitch. Get it paid, okay? Because what's going to happen is, yes, they're going to move to revoke your probation and have you locked up in jail. People don't understand that, one of the unfortunate remedies that are available to, a parent that's owed child support is the ability to lock that ass up. And the court is going to determine if you're going to go to jail. But at the end of the day, who wants a case in front of them for a civil matter that can be, that somebody can throw them up in jail for? And then you definitely don't want it to be on something, so personal as child support, because, honey, those mothers, they want to go until they see blood. Many of the times, and I represent men, it's crazy because it's like, ma'am, you're getting your payments, but the women are like, I don't care. In 2012, and I'm like, oh, bitch, oh my God. You know what I mean? Like, whenever you're dealing with stuff like this, it becomes personal. So you want to make sure you get that paid in advance, sir. Long story short, if you get to court and you can show that you have the money, they more than likely should have a payment center right there at the courthouse, and they should let you pay it. Or they'll help you walk through, or give you the ability to get on the computer and make a payment. But you better have it paid, because more than likely they ain't going to let you up out of there. You're going to have to move forward with trial and just see if the judge is going to revoke you, which you probably don't want. Okay, so you're going to get it paid. Guys, stop coming up with excuses. Okay, I like the fact that he just said he wasn't able to pay. Okay, which I think is bullshit, because you got a loan to pay it now. So you could have gotten a loan before. And that's one of the things they look at is your ability to get a loan to pay child support. Yes, they will allow you to legally rob Peter to pay Paul, because the kids need their money now. Okay, so if you have the ability to mortgage something, sell it, borrow money, go get multiple jobs, borrow money from family members, then you are not going to get the grace of a defense, and you can be possibly thrown in jail. So, sir, you got the loan. You better get these people paid, because now that they know that you can get a loan for this, they want it in their hands quick. Okay, so next time, we're not going to talk about it. We're going to be about it. We're not going to ask the attorney how to pay. You to pay all other 1,233 payments. And however you pay those, is how the hell you're going to get the last of your money in. Don't come over here trying to stall. Get the damn shit paid before they lock your ass up. Next case. Sorry. You just got to be straight up sometimes. You just got to be straight up. What? You got to be straight up.
Biggest time I made that call. I'm locked up and facing charges. Who gon' fight these cases for me? I called Booker Law Firm. They got the job done. They were right there for me.
For more information, contact the Booker Law Firm at 713-292-2225.